What is up? It's your boy, the one and only real Gucci Gavin, back at it with another video. It's a kind of a change in video. I am in front of my Camaro 2016 RS. Kind of just do a walk around real quick. Definitely dirty. It's been raining a lot, so I can't be up to date of cleaning it. Definitely want to wax it sometime soon. But I added the Borla Atak Exhaust to it, and I have not cleaned it for over a year of owning the exhaust, and you can see it is pretty dirty. It definitely needs to be cleaned. So I did pick up the Borla exhaust cleaner and polisher, plus some of this bronze wool. The quality is fine. So I'm gonna do a kind of a video of how to clean your Borla exhaust, and also just kind of cleaning your exhaust in general, depending on what kind of exhaust you have for your car. So this is not just Camaro related. This is pretty much anybody that wants to clean their exhaust, because everybody cleans their car in the outside but never really cleans it, their exhaust tips, and this is a way to clean it. So let's just start getting to it. Alright, so this is kind of what I got done so far. You can look at it, it's turning out pretty good compared to the other side. Kind of like still did before, totally different. There's like a few spots that's like hard to come out. I'm gonna try to get to that, and let's get to the other side now. I kind of pretty much just finished as best as I can, so kind of you can now see the after of it. I mean, there's still some spots that, like, you know, I would have to go more harder on, but you know, overall I did a good job. Let's check out the other side. Kind of the same thing, kind of need to scrub some spots more harder, but I used the bronze wool, the fine quality, because it won't really scrape up the metals as much compared to other stuff that's out there. And I used the Borla exhaust cleaner and polisher again. I've got all my stuff on Amazon. They had like a combo if you bought both of these together. But yeah, I think overall I did a pretty good job. You can tell my hands are pretty dirty. I'm planning to throw away my towels, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys check out my channel. I do all different kinds of videos. I do jet ski videos, videos on the Camaro. I live in Myrtle Beach, so I'll do some videos on Myrtle Beach too. But make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell of notifications. I'm gonna do a quick exhaust clip at the end. So have a great and wonderful day, and peace.